Hello friends, in this video I am going to cover with you the program to create a factorial of a number. I hope everybody know what a factorial is. Mathematically, we all know this is a symbol for factorial. Factorial 5 can be calculated using 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the way, right? Or if I says this is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, 3 into 2 into 1, right. So, if I says I want to calculate the factorial, so what to do for that? A number of ways are there. I will try to go for some ways. For that, let us say n is a number, the factorial of which I want to calculate. So, for that, let us go for initialization of effect as 1 and the value of n being 5. Then what to do? Can I go for fact equal to fact into n, then n equal to n minus 1 and then fact equal to fact into n, n equal to n minus 1, fact equal to fact into n. I am just repeating, है ना? For some of you it might be confusing, but let me clear it. The value of n is 5, the value of fact is 1. So, after this step, what I will get in the fact, it will take the value of fact, that is 1, and the value of n, that is 5. After multiplication, this fact will get 5, and after going through this statement, it will go to the next statement, and the next statement says n equal to n minus 1. What the value of n is? 5. After the execution of this statement, well, what will be the value of n? The previous value is n minus 1, 5 minus 1. So, this n will contain 4. Now, this statement says fact equal to fact into n. What the value of fact is? This one. And what the value of n is? This one. So, 5 into 4 will make it 20, and in the next statement the value of n is 4. So, it will become 4 minus 1 and the value will become 3 and so on till the value of n is more than 0 or more than equal to 1. Let us say this is the way. Can I say these are the two statements we are repeating again and again and again. So, what to do? Can we think of a loop? Of course, and for that I will just write the first two statements as it is. They are n equal to some number, of course we have assumed 5, then fact equal to 1, and then I have gone for fact equal to fact into n followed by and put it as the body of any loop, and for that I am starting with the for loop. What the for loop says? This is the body, and in the head write those statements which are allowing this body to be executed 5 times or n times. So, for that what I can go for? I will go for I equal to n, I minus minus, and I is greater than 0. That is all. What else? Any other way? Instead of this 4, can I use while? Why not? For that I will go for while n is greater than 0 and this body as it is. Okay. So, these are the two ways, two loops using which you can calculate the factorial. Let us try to go for the program to create the factorial in Eclipse. And for that, again, I will try to make the use of the Eclipse ID, and inside it, I have to go for the Java project by the name factorial, finish it, right, and in the factorial create a class. Let's give it the name as fact having public static void main, and just finish it, and having two values, they are int n equal to 5 and fact equal to 1, right. And inside this, what we have to do? We have to write a for loop. The head of the for having the body, and inside the body, what I have written? I have written this one. So let me copy here from here to this, and how to copy it? Fact equal to fact into n followed by n equal to n minus 1, right. And what else? Please complete the formality of for loop, and for that I have written I equal to n, I is greater than 0 and I minus minus. But this n is giving us the error. Reason being, this I is not declared yet. So I can declare this I here as well. There is no error, right. Now once it is done, let's go for the system.out.println, and here fact contain the result, right. I have saved it, and let's execute it. And for the execution, I have gone for the green button. Let's just see. This is the result I am getting. 120 is the factorial of 5. Now my requirement is, instead of this, what I want this to be taken from the user, and for that I will make the use of the class scanner. This is giving us an error. So what to do now? Import this java.util, or import this scanner class from java.util. No error. And next, new scanner. I want to read from the standard input device. So for that, we make the use of system.in. There is no error, but error is about the non-initialization of n. So I will go for n equal to s dot. What I want the integer. So the next int is a function that will be used, right. Now let's see what the output it gives. Execute it. It is asking for the input. Let's give it the input as 5 again. Press enter. I am getting the result as 120. Again, this is not good, at least in looking, so I will go for a message. System.out.println having please enter a number to calculate factorial, right? And then here I will write fact. No, I will go for the factorial of n is fact. But my question is, can we use n here? Can we use? What do you think? Please provide it in the form of the comment, right? Or let me take the value of n into another variable. And then use it. I will make the use of p here. And let's see what the result I get. Please enter the number to calculate factorial. I am giving right, the factorial of 19 is this. That might be wrong. So for that I will again execute it, because we are clear with the smaller number factorial. So I will go for 5 and see the output is in the formatted way. The factorial of 5 is 120. Alright, let's see. Instead of p, if I write n, what I will get. I am giving the input as 5 again. Just see, I am getting here, instead of 5, I am getting 0. Right? So in case you know this, the reason, please provide me in the form of a comment. I hope the factorial using 4 is clear. And I will expect you to write it using while. Thank you. अच्छा